Descript is an all-in-one video editor that has many useful AI features. In this video, I will go through 8 of the amazing AI features that will help you edit your video 10 times faster and easier. No matter what your experience level is, I am confident you will find some of them valuable. So the first amazing feature is their accurate and fast transcription. Transcribing in Descript is super easy. You upload your video file and it gets automatically transcribed. And the transcript will appear here as a document in a few short minutes. Part of what makes Descript so popular is that they make it simple to edit a video. If you can edit a document, you can edit a video. At the moment, it supports transcription of 22 different languages. Second feature is the ability to add captions to your video. Adding beautiful and professional looking caption is a breeze in Descript. You simply have to come to the transcribed document, click the plus sign, add captions. Then you can customize your captions to your preference. You can choose font, type and size, style, and effects. Just like that, you have created the professional captions. Next one is you can shorten word gaps and remove filler words. If you have a video clip that have silence gaps between your words, you can remove all of them in one click. Go up here to this icon and just click short word gaps, and all the word gaps inside your video will be eliminated. The same applies to the filler words. This is the easiest way to remove them from your recordings. Again, come up to this icon and click remove filler words. It will automatically detect all your filler words and they are removed in an instant. Fourth useful AI feature is eye contact correction. Eye contact uses AI to subtly adjust your gaze in your video so it appears you're always looking directly into the camera, even when you're not. With eye contact in Descript, you can read off a script or teleprompter without the endless retake loops. You'll spend less time recording and no time editing retakes. The fifth useful AI feature is studio sound. This allows you to remove any background noise to produce studio quality sound with a single click of a button. You can use it to remove noise, enhance speech, and sound like a pro with AI audio quality enhancement. Next one is the Overdub. If you forgot to say something, you can use the Overdub feature for an AI generation of your voice to come to the rescue. With this, you never have to re-record. When you later find out you made a mistake while you were recording, you can correct your mistakes by just typing with this AI feature. The seventh AI feature is Regenerate. You can correct mismatched tone, enhance lackluster dialogue, or remove any background noise. Regenerate makes the impossible edits possible with one click. The AI technology will make your edits sound seamless and natural. The eighth amazing AI feature is the green screen effect. This is an easy way to remove or replace the background of your video. Whether or not you filmed in front of a chroma green background, you can use this feature to easily remove or edit your video background. There you have it. Those were the 8 of the awesome AI tools inside of Descript. If you want to try out Descript, the link is down below. If you got value from this and want to see more related content, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.